Hi everyone, my name is Emily Walling and I work as an academic technologist here at the University of Findlay. This video is meant to help campus get started with using the 3D printing services offered by Information Technology Services. We understand that 3D printing is new to many of you and we want to provide you with the tools to be successful while designing and using the 3D printers. I plan to briefly go over the following items in the video: the printers, materials available, how to get started with designing, requesting an item to be printed, future plans for 3D printing, and how to get help. We have 4 3D printers available for use, and 3 of them are shared with the College of Business. The first and most used printer we have is the Lulzbot TAS6. We've used a variety of plastics with this printer. Next, we have 2 MakerGear M2s. These are used by the College of Business students. And finally, we have the Formlabs Form 2. This printer uses resin instead of plastic filament. All of the 3D printing equipment is housed in Schaefer Library backed by the Learning Commons. We have many materials and colors for you to choose from for 3D printing. For plastics, we have PLA, N-Gen, nylon, ABS, and T-glaze. PLA is used by most people on campus and can make simple prints where detail isn't necessary. If you want to show small details on a print, we recommend N-Gen. Nylon and high-temperature PLA are also available depending on your needs. All of those plastics are used on the MakerGears and Lulzbot. The Formlabs uses resin instead of plastic in its hard form, and this printer will print details the best. We are continuing to buy new resin for this printer as well, as the company has options for dental, tough, and castable resins. As we get in new material, we add them to the sign-up form, which I will go over later in this video. There are free programs out there if you want to try making your own design. We recommend either Tinkercad or Autodesk. If you are a student, you can use your UF email to register for an account at Autodesk that lasts for 3 years. You will have more design flexibility when using Autodesk. However, Tinkercad is easy to use and there are all sorts of video tutorials out there. ITS used Tinkercad to create the keychains we hand out at special events. Once you have an STL design file ready, you can go ahead and send in a request. We have a Google form that you can fill out and ITS will send you an estimate. You can find the form on the ITS website at this link. Once you're there, you can click the link to get to the form. We ask for your information such as your name, contact information, color and material choice, etc. Once you send in the form, we will email you an estimate form similar to this. We charge for the cost of plastic plus 25 cents per hour of print time. 3D printing has been increasing in popularity across campus, and we have many exciting plans for the future. We recently purchased a 3D scanner. You can use this to scan an object that you need to turn into a 3D file. We are also hoping to move all the equipment into an actual lab space within Schaefer Library. We also have faculty that are already using 3D printed items for teaching. Feel free to contact ITS so we can help you incorporate 3D printing into your courses. If you need help with design basics, filling out the estimate form, or anything else with 3D printing, please contact ITS through one of the following methods. All of the 3D printers are housed in the Schaefer Library Learning Commons. Feel free to stop by at any time and take a look at what's printing.